Vic the pup is on his way to learn, explore, and laugh today. Vic's Adventures, let's go play!
Hi, friends! Guess what? It's almost Christmas! Let's go inside and see what Vic is up to. Look at this beautiful Christmas tree, but it doesn't have any ornaments yet. Vic needs your help decorating it. Which ornaments should we put up first? Great choice! Let's put them up together. Wow, the tree is looking amazing. But wait, do you see what's missing? That's right, the tree topper is missing. But we'll look for that later. Vic wants to do something very special first. Vic wants to write a letter to Santa. Dear Santa, my name is Vic. I've tried my very best to be kind, to listen, and to share all year long. For Christmas, I would really love a brand new striped ball. Red, green, and white, just like a candy cane. Love, Vic. Awesome job! Now, let's help Vic mail his letter. There it goes. Now Santa will get his letter at the North Pole. Before we go looking for the missing star, we need to bake sugar cookies for Santa. First, we need a half a cup of butter. Butter makes our cookies soft and yummy. Next, we need a half a cup of sugar. Half means not too much, just right. Now we need 1 egg. Can you pretend to crack an egg? Great job! Now let's add 1 cup of flour. Can you show me 1 finger? Perfect! Now let's mix, mix, mix. Big circles. It's time to roll out our dough. Can you do it too? Roll, roll, roll. Awesome! Thanks for helping. Now let's cut out our cookies. Into the oven they go. Soon we'll have yummy Christmas cookies. It's time to go find the star for the tree. Look, it's a snowman. Everyone wave hello. Let's ask him if he knows where the star is. There's no star here. Look, a reindeer. Do you think the reindeer will know where the star is? No star here. But wait, do you see those sparkles? It's a Christmas elf. Hiya, Vic. Hi, friends. I heard you're looking for something very important. So I brought you this. The elf found the missing star for the tree. Let's say thank you, elf. Let's put the star on the tree together. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Wow, the tree looks perfect now. After a big day of Christmas fun, Vic is ready for bed. Let's read him a bedtime story. Once upon a snowy Christmas Eve, a little dog named Vic shared kindness everywhere he went. He listened, he helped others, and he shared. His big heart made the world brighter. And because Vic was so kind, the Christmas spirit followed him wherever he went. Look, Vic fell asleep. Let's tell him good night. Good night, Vic.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
Shh! Listen, do you hear that? It's Santa!
What a good pup!
Vic has been kind, listened well, and shared all year long. He deserves something very special.
Good morning, friends. Look, Santa left Vic a present. Let's open it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's a brand new striped Christmas ball, red, green, and white, just like Vic wished for. Santa brought this gift because Vic was good all year long.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Thanks for watching Vic's special Christmas adventure. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas.